started off Sahaj was primarily to tap into the potential of the huge human resource pool available in rural India. The basic premise being in rural India is an agrarian economy. So we decided on starting with agriculture, looked at the different possibilities, what are the developments happening in agriculture. And the first thing which we zeroed in on was organic farming. A lot of rural Indian parents have told us that he remembers everything in the school, but the moment he comes home, in an hour he forgets everything. But that's primarily because the tools which are available today, which are known to urban education system already, have not been implemented in rural India. So that was one of the reasons why we used this book, and here we are trying to commit a very high standard of education to the children. We are trying to create a professional front end for our clients where we deploy local resources at a ground level who are much more efficient in delivering the goods at a much reasonable price. However, we have a professional front end where we understand the client's requirement in their own language, in a corporate language. They can pass on the requirements to us over an email. And what we have done is created a very skilled and trained rural team who can deliver on these tasks and achieve the desired objectives. We have IT and KPO services, and we have rural tourism as a segment, and we have very recently started a school which you can see in the backdrop, which is our education initiative by the name of Sahaj International Public School. In the next 5 years, we hope to become a company which is well known across the country, have a brand which is recognized with honesty and commitment to work. That's where we see ourselves 5 years from now. Any individual who is wanting to come to rural India, even to experiment with what are the different avenues of promoting livelihood in a business way, which can be a scalable and a sustainable model, we will be very happy to join hands with such individuals, get them to participate with us in Sahaj.